Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you to achieve your goals and turn your dreams into reality. In today's video, we're going to guide you through a step-by-step process to help you accomplish anything you set your mind to. So grab a pen and paper, because we're about to embark on a journey of success. Step 1. Define your goals. It's crucial to be specific, clear, and write them down. By doing this, you'll give yourself a clear direction and a target to strive for. Whether it's starting a business, losing weight, or learning a new skill, the key is to know exactly what you want to achieve. Step 2. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. Big goals can often feel overwhelming, but by breaking them down, you'll make them more manageable and less intimidating. Think of these smaller steps as your roadmap to success, guiding you through each milestone towards your ultimate goal. Step 3. Create a timeline and set deadlines for each step. Time management is crucial when it comes to accomplishing your goals. Set realistic deadlines for each smaller step, and make sure to hold yourself accountable. This will keep you focused and motivated throughout the process. Step 4. Stay motivated, celebrate your progress, and reward yourself along the way. Remember to acknowledge and celebrate the milestones you achieve. Celebrating small wins will boost your confidence and keep you motivated to keep going. And don't forget to reward yourself with something you enjoy as you reach each major milestone. Step 5. Overcome obstacles. Expect setbacks, learn from them, and adjust your plan if needed. It's important to understand that setbacks and obstacles are a natural part of any journey. When faced with challenges, don't get discouraged. Instead, embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plan if necessary. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Step 6. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Achieving your goals becomes much easier when you have people who believe in you and support your journey. Seek out like-minded individuals, join groups or communities with similar interests, and share your progress. Connecting with others who are on a similar path can provide valuable insights and encouragement. Step 7. Continuously educate yourself and seek knowledge. In order to progress and reach your goals, it's essential to keep learning and expanding your knowledge. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars or workshops related to your field of interest. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to tackle challenges and seize opportunities that come your way. Step 8. Practice self-care and maintain a healthy work-life balance. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of goals and neglect your well-being. Remember to take care of yourself both mentally and physically. Get enough rest, eat nutritious meals, exercise regularly, and make time for activities you enjoy. Balancing your personal life with your goal-oriented activities will help prevent burnout and keep you energized. Step 9. Track your progress and make adjustments along the way. Regularly assess how far you've come and evaluate your strategies. Are you making steady progress, or do you need to make some adjustments? Keep track of your achievements, challenges faced, and lessons learned. This information will guide you in refining your approach and staying on track towards your goals. Step 10. Celebrate your ultimate success and set new goals. When you reach your desired outcome, take a moment to appreciate your hard work and perseverance. Celebrate your accomplishment and reflect on the journey that got you there. And remember, success is not a destination but a continuous journey. Set new goals and keep pushing yourself to reach new heights. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this extended video has provided you with valuable insights and actionable steps to achieve your goals. Remember, it's all about defining your goals, breaking them down into actionable steps, setting deadlines, staying motivated, overcoming obstacles, and embracing growth. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our empowering content. Now go out there and conquer your goals.